My name is Jeff Threw. I'm an owner of Adirondack Truck Repair, Queensbury, New York. We work on whatever customer wants to bring, whether it's a car, heavy truck, heavy equipment. We have Hunter alignment system where we can do from 1 ton to tractor trailers. We have a Hunter spin balancer where we can do super singles for customers, track PMs for the customers so we can let them know, and also through customers portal they can see their own information if they want to see it. Fullbay has helped on the service side by automatically populating service orders when lube oil filters due or New York State inspection. Anything that we set for a PM, they'll track it and we can notify the customer, and it's one less thing they got to worry about. And that's what they pay us to do. Parts is help. It's better tracking. We can see the dollar amount we got there. I can do a history, see if we only sold it once a year or every month. There's more options to see, track, and decide what we're going to do with inventory. As an owner, Fullbay has helped me see numbers daily or hourly whenever I want to look. Different reports. There's so many options. Try it out. I mean, once you use it, like any software, it's different. So once you get used to it, how it works, it's very simple. It's simple. Anybody that wants to try it, they should try it.